Hello, Mantibit is here with you again today. In the world of cryptocurrency, staying ahead of the market is crucial. That's where Moralis Money and its crypto price alerts come in. Today, we'll explore the 4 main conditions for these alerts, helping you make informed decisions in real time. First, let's talk about experienced net buyers change. This alert monitors the experienced trader's net buying behavior, giving you insights into market sentiment. Next up is net buyers change. This alert tracks the net buying behavior of all traders. It's a great indicator of overall market sentiment. Buy pressure change USD. This alert focuses on the amount of buy pressure in the market. If there's a surge in buying activity, it's a strong indicator that prices might be on the rise. Last but not least, we have the price alert. This is a classic and essential alert. Set a target price, and when your chosen cryptocurrency hits that mark, you'll be instantly notified. Using these 4 types of crypto price alerts, you can stay ahead of the game and make smart investment choices. With the help of crypto monitoring tools like Moralis Money, setting up these alerts is a breeze. You can adjust the time frame, choose your preferred alert frequency, and receive alerts through email, Telegram, or webhook. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and for more valuable insights, don't forget to visit moralismoney.com. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more content.